the topic, what it is called in grammar. It's actually called Deixis. Okay, wonderful. Now I'm going to switch to some, the daily used items. Okay, let's say you are buying something at a shop, right? In any grocery shop, or you pay with your credit card or you pay with the cash, and the cashier is giving you the receipt, right? Typically they are supposed to give you, and they want to show you that, the receipt. How will they tell you? And receipt is in Hindi is considered feminine. Yeah. Anyone can guess what is receipt in Hindi? Okay, very good, very good. So you have a R, S with E and the. यह रही आपकी receipt. I see. Wonderful. Right. So next one is you are, okay, official, and this is you're learning from the formal vocabulary as well. You are, visiting a lawyer, okay, and lawyer is showing you or giving you the official documents. Okay, how will the lawyer show you, or how will he or she tell you in Hindi? Beautiful. ये रहे आपके documents. Okay, and because I said it's official. Okay, how do you say official documents in Hindi? Okay, very good. Okay, so I'm going to give you a simple one, just the dastaવેજ. So you have a the, half sa, the with a, dasta, and then vej. So you have a v with a and then z. Okay, so this is a. Okay, so you have a almost like a dust, but it's the sound. Dust, a, vej. It's a sort of a loose Roman Romanagri, dastaवेज. It's a complicated word, right? So dastaवेज. ये रहे आपके दस्तावेज.